Welcome to Mind Games. Let's test your smartphone knowledge by this Guess the Smartphone by their Ringtone challenge. 30 recognizable tunes and only 10 seconds for each one. Let's see how many you can get right. Huge thanks to all of you for watching. Want a shout out in our next video? Drop your current phone brand in the comments below. We will pick 6 lucky viewers for a shout out. Make sure you're subscribed to Mind Games for more epic quizzes and brain teasers. Now let's jump straight into the challenge. Round 1. Guess the smartphone brand. Correct. It was Samsung. Second round. Do you recognize this ringtone? Awesome! It was Apple. Round 3. Which phone makes this sound? Spot on! That's Google Pixel. Fourth round. Listen closely. What's your guess?
Hello, Moto.
Nailed it! It's Motorola.
Hello, Moto.
Moving to round 5. Name that ringtone. You got it! It belongs to Nokia. Round 6 is here. Any ideas from this tone? Bingo! That was Xiaomi. Round 7. Can you catch this one? Perfect match. It's OnePlus. Round 8. Guess the smartphone brand. Correct. It was Huawei. Ninth round. Do you recognize this ringtone? Awesome! It was Oppo. Round 10. Which phone makes this sound? Spot on! That's Microsoft. Eleventh round. Listen closely. What's your guess? Nailed it! It's techno. Moving to round 12. Name that ringtone. You got it. It belongs to Realme. Round 13 is here. Any ideas from this tone? Bingo! That was Infinix. Round 14. Can you catch this one? Perfect match. It's Vivo. Round 15. Guess the smartphone brand. Correct. It was Honor. Sixteenth round. Do you recognize this ringtone? Awesome! It was Asus. Round 17. Which phone makes this sound? Spot on. That's LG. Eighteenth round. Listen closely. What's your guess? Nailed it. It's Sony Ericsson. Moving to round 19. Name that ringtone. You got it. It belongs to HTC. Round 20 is here. Any ideas from this tone? Bingo! That was ZTE. Round 21. Can you catch this one? Perfect match. It's Lenovo. Round 22. Guess the smartphone brand. Correct! It was BlackBerry. Third round. Do you recognize this ringtone? Awesome! It was Alcatel. Round 24. Which phone makes this sound? Spot on. That's Siemens. Fifth round. Listen closely. What's your guess? Nailed it. It's Philips. Moving to round 26. Name that ringtone. You got it. It belongs to Meizu. Round 27 is here. Any ideas from this tone? Bingo! That was a classic telephone. Round 28. Can you catch this one? Perfect match. It's Panasonic. Round 29. Guess the smartphone brand. Correct? It was Kyocera. Last round. Do you recognize this ringtone? Awesome! It was Micromax. And that's a wrap. How many phone brands did you recognize from their ringtones? Let us know your total score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe to Mind Games for more rapid-fire quizzes. Catch you in the next one.